Cooking time. Potatoes. Time lapse. Aluminum foil. Everybody always makes a comment about putting a wet rag under there. First, I have a piece of non-slip that I use most of the time, and sometimes I don't, and when it moves it just doesn't bother me. And this cutting board has rubber ends on it so it doesn't slip. I'm gonna use up some onion. Pretty much my standard stuff. I didn't go to the store, so I'm getting towards the end of the trip, which some people might say finally, but I don't know. I don't feel like finally. Part of me had already planned to be back, but I kept staying. My standard Creole seasoning, olive oil, and I'll make a foil pack. A very large foil pack because I'm hungry. I actually had another potato out and I stopped myself. It's very windy outside, so I don't think I'm going to show you, but it's going to be burgers. See, that's a foil pack. Pound of hamburger. McCormick's hamburger seasoning. I got a feeling that I'm gonna go heavy with it. I don't use salt, but I know that's got salt in it. And a little smokehouse maple, just to give it a hint of maple. Yes, sriracha, closing on the end of bottle number 2. I haven't used as much, to be honest. Used a lot, but I don't put it on everything. The plan is 1/3 of a pound burgers. Trying to make it somewhat uniform. And the thrift store burger press. First I'm gonna roll these up in my hands, see how close they feel. Alright, roll them up like a meatball. Put it in the press, kind of move it around so it's mostly there. One burger. It's not going well. That's that for that. And clean up. The burgers are on. Smelling good. I think I got them close to even. 1/3 of a pound, and potatoes are on. I don't know if I'm causing that. There's gulls everywhere. Don't those look beautiful? Look at those grill marks. Look at those grill marks on there. Alright, I hope it's hot enough. We're doing a cheese hat. I got a little idea to make it a tiny bit different. Hope the first one comes out right because I don't want to have to film it again. It's a whole thing setting everything up in this 2-foot square kitchen. I had it hotter this time. It's melting nicely. Got to be patient. Not my strength. Okay, what the trick is going to be, I'm going to show you now, because once I decide to do it, I got to do it. This is that sriracha salsa. I'm going to put the smiley face right in the cheese hat. And I think when I flip it, you'll still be able to see it. Like everything, the second one always seems to go better. Eyeball. Eyeball. Nose. Smiley. Okay, here we go. Bam. All right. You can turn that off and go get the burgers. And we'll be eating here in a second. All right. Look at that pretty burger. Doesn't that come out pretty? Standard smiley face. Standard smiley face and cheese hat smiley face. And no, the smiley face did not stand through. So we'll give it a second smiley face. And that beautiful flyover. Cheese hat, smiley face. Lots of good potatoes. I'm gonna eat this stuff. My battery's almost dead on this. Man, look at that cheese hat. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Did a crispy one. That's good. All right. Let's take a bite of this. Oh, hear that crunch? Nice and crispy. That's a great burger. I do love me some cheese hats. And potatoes. Potatoes came out well with the onions. Alright, YouTubers. That's a pretty great meal, I think. Pretty simple. The crunch of a nice cheese hat. Alright, I grabbed the GoPro just in my hand, and I gotta tell you, the air conditioner's on, the light's not great, but that's as good as any $13 burger. That's a darn good burger. Cheese hats. I stole this idea, you can steal it too. Because it's not stealing. I just had to make another cheese hat for the next burger. Oh, hot cheese, hot cheese, hot cheese. There you go, YouTubers. A little bit different way. The sriracha salsa on it is great. Have a great and wonderful day.